Hi guys, it's Shani from Yiannimize and happy 2019, happy new year. First up this year, we are wrapping my Ford Transit MS-RT. It's not no normal Ford, it's not a normal van. I know Lenny's the van man, so we bought one of these. He told us this is the van to get. It is custom, it's got a body kit, it's got big alloy wheels, it looks amazing, and to be fair, the grey is a fantastic colour. But at Yiannimize, we have to wrap it. So we're gonna get it inside, we're gonna wrap it, and Terry will tell you a little bit more about it.
But I grow stronger, keep believing in me.
Right now, the MS-RT Transit's in the unit. We're just cleaning it before it gets wrapped, and yeah, safety first.
So the MS-RT van is in, and I'm about to reveal the colour. Have a look over there. Yep, Avery, matte, khaki green.
Take a step and let go. You told me that the shakes turn brighter.
Right, hi guys, so as you can see behind me, the MS-RT van is now getting wrapped. It's going in this matte khaki colour. It's not my choice, but the guys here seem to think it's going to look good. Let me know what you think at home. Should it have gone like a wet satin black, or maybe a chrome, which is what I was after, or do you like this matte khaki? Let me know, and we'll see what it looks like in a few hours.
So the Yiannimize MS-RT van is being worked on. Obviously, new member staff's turned up, so we've got Becky who's now joined us. She's working alongside Amelia. The khaki green, some people are going to love it, and as usual, some people can hate it. I personally think it's a great colour. I think it's going to suit the van really, really well. Let's get it finished. Let's add some black elements to it as well, and then it's done.
So today we're wrapping Yanni's new van. It's going matte khaki green. Me and Amelia are working on this side together and Mark and Nico on the other side. It is so nice not working with a buzzer that's going off every half an hour, every 20 minutes, and it's nice not having a clock. It's all about the quality, take your time, make sure everything's done right, just to a high standard. So it was a long journey into work this morning, just over an hour's drive. But it's quite nice to wake up in the morning before you get here. Settled in straight away, said hello to everyone, and started straight on the van. So I just wanted to say a massive thank you to everyone that supported me throughout the wrap job. I wouldn't be here where I am and what I'm doing today without the support of everyone. Thank you.
So we're working on the van. This is the final, obviously, thing we've got to put on the side of it. We had a few designs before, had a little play around, but we've decided to go with this, just like short, simple, clean. So yeah, let's get some van. When they first started laying the colour, I was the terrier, I really didn't like it at all. But you know what, now it's nearly completed. The more that's gone on, the more I like the colour. But I still think it would look better in satin black.
So I've got Amelia branding up the van. This is not probably how the van's going to stay, but we've got the premiere tonight, so we've got a big Yiannimize logo. We've got Yanni Supercar Customiser, the hashtag. The TV show is out now as you lot are watching this, but it'll probably change for now. But the khaki green looks fantastic. I've got Becky on the front end doing the bonnet. But yeah, give me some ideas. I'm not actually sure how I want the logos to look. I don't want it overpowering like it does now. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Initially we're going to do something just here, but I don't know. Let me know.
Okay guys, so as you can see behind me, the Yiannimize van is now finished. It's done in this matte khaki green. I wasn't too sure about this colour if I'm honest to begin with, but now it's done, it's kind of growing on me, and I'm the one who's driving this van around. Also, on the side, you have this big Yiannimize sticker. Yanni's not happy with it, but again, I personally like this, I'm driving it. Okay, so stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a full review on this van. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys soon.